Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview round frame swimming pool. At 10 foot long and 30 inches wide, this large round frame swimming pool is perfect for playing a game of volleyball or just sitting and chilling. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this swimming pool. An affordable and easy to set up alternative to more complicated steel-walled pools and a more durable alternative to inflatable models. Super tough, and the traditional material is 3 times the outer 2 layers of PVC tape. The material of interlayer is the mesh, with greater bearing capacity and stronger. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. It's tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Durable metal frame and triple layer material stands up to heavy use and the elements. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.